Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your OnePlus Nord CE 5. So first, when you're in a call, then make sure to check the volume using side buttons. So check your volume right here. As you guys can see, we can change the volumes for, let's say, media, ringtones, notifications, and alarms, but the call is hidden. So let me show you guys. Let's enter the settings. Here, let's go over to sounds and vibration. And as you guys can see, there is no call volume. So if you want to change the call volume, then make sure that you are in a call. So now make sure to disable the Bluetooth. So go to settings. Now in those settings, go to the Bluetooth and make sure that it's disabled so the audio isn't rerouted to any other devices like your car or your headphones that you do not have. So for example, when you're not wearing your headphones, the phone may still connect to them. So when you don't have them, then that might be an issue and the audio might be routed into them instead of your phone. Now, if there's a muffly sound or there's no sound at all, what you guys can do is try and clean the earpiece right here using a soft brush. Remember to not use anything metallic. It can only damage it, or not only damage, but the sound can be worse. And then you guys can test if it works with either a different app or another call. So you guys can test it on, let's say, WhatsApp instead of your phone app right here. And now if that didn't work, then what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now scroll up to restart. And now, as you guys can see, the phone is being restarted. So I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to use. So after the restart, if there's still some issues, then what you guys can do as a last resort is to reset network settings. So go to settings first. Here, let's scroll all the way down until we see the system and update. Now click on backup and reset, and here click reset phone. We won't be deleting everything. We will be deleting the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings right here. And now let's draw a lock screen pattern and click reset. Now it should help you, but if it didn't, then I recommend you guys visiting a service center to get your phone checked up. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.